Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm sat in the shed today and I've picked up this Dianthus, and this Dianthus has come from the supermarket, £2.50, but it's looking a bit sad. So today I'm going to show you how we deadhead Dianthus and we restore this back to a nice healthy plant with lots of blooms. So this is Dianthus, pretty scented semi-double flowers, provides colour all season. So flowers in the summer with a height of 25 centimetres and a spread of 30 centimetres. So I'm going to show you how we deadhead the Dianthus. So to deadhead Dianthus, you need a pair of scissors or a pair of shears or a pair of pruners. And what we need to do, we look for the deadheads, the ones that are faded. We don't want the plant producing seeds. So what we do, we follow the stem down, right down to the first set of leaves here, and we take our cut. So this is going to send energy back in the plant to focus on more flowers. So we go round, so this one's broken, so we're going down, we'll just take a cut. So look at the beautiful flowers on the Dianthus. So right down, this one's broken, so we're going right down, giving that a cut. This one is broken. Unfortunately, this one is mostly quite sad. So if you're just deadheading one of the blooms, you could just individually cut the dyed head. We could leave the original bloom, just taking off the heads. And then when the original head is dyed, then we can go right down and cut below. So this is taking most of the pretty flowers on, but this one has suffered quite a bit of damage. So I'm just going through, removing. See, we've got one bud here, so we're going to get a flower, and then hopefully it's going to send out some more shoots. Another bud here. So there are some buds still available. So just doing this little job is going to encourage the plant to send more blooms and not to make seeds. That's a shame, that one's got a blood on it, but it's just broken. Here we go, that one's okay. This one I'm going right down. There we go. So I think that is it. So we've taken all the deadheads. And what I will do, because this one is very dry, we can see how dry this is. I'm going to take an old tray. I'm just going to fill this up with some water, and we're going to sit this pot in the water and let the roots soak up, and then it can soak up all that nice water, and then hopefully we get some nice buds. So this is what we've taken off. We've had to remove these flowers, which is a shame because they're broken stems. So that's what we removed, and we've got a nice plant that should grow back again.